Hello everyone and welcome back to Simple Tips. Today we are going to be making guacamole, which is a very popular Hispanic snack and appetizer, usually eaten with tortilla chips or any other sort of chips. So let's get started. Here are our ingredients: 2 avocados, half of an onion chopped, half of a lemon squeezed, finely chopped cilantro, half of a tomato also chopped, some chopped green chilies, and sour cream. So here are our ingredients. Add some salt to taste, and then mash them together. So here's our guacamole all ready to go. This is a very quick and easy snack to make. Guacamole is usually eaten with tortilla chips or any other sort of chips. Like, subscribe, and share our video, and press the bell icon so you know when we post our next video. Thanks for watching, and bye!